Today we are going to see the operating video of Tens4 unit, which is a new machine under the Striker BRIO series. Now let us first see the standard accessories that we get with the machine. This is the mains cord, 4 output cables, 4 pairs of elastic straps, 8 pieces of rubber electrodes, 1 jelly bottle, and the operating video. This is the self-adhesive electrodes. This is an optional accessory. The benefit of this is that in this you did not require the gel and the elastic straps. However, this is just an optional accessory. Now let us start the machine. To start the machine, you have to take the mains cord, insert this side of the cord over here into the socket. The other end you will insert it into the main plug. After inserting, you have to press the red button. The red light shows that the machine is on. Once you press the button, the machine will initialize. Now this is the first screen that you will see on the machine. Here we have the 5 capacitive touch buttons. The very first one is the clinical library. In clinical library, we have 19 evidence-based protocols. You can navigate into the library with S1 and S2 buttons. S1 for going up and S2 for going down. To come out of the library, you have to press S3. Now you are out of the library. Then we have the S1 button. With S1, you can change the mode of the machine. In BRIO Tens4, you have 4 modes: the continuous, burst, PWM and FM. Now start with the continuous mode. This is the continuous mode over here. With S2, you can change the frequency. The frequency ranges from 4 to 150 Hz. With S3, you can change the width. The width ranges from 30 to 300 milliseconds. And this is the treatment time, which ranges from 5 to 30 minutes and then continues. Now to go to the second mode, you again have to come back to S1. Press the S1. Now the second mode is burst. In the burst, again with S2 you can change the frequency from 4 to 150 Hz. And then you have the burst period, which ranges from 0.5 to 4 seconds. You have the treatment time, which ranges from 5 to 30 seconds, minutes, and then to continue. Now we'll go to the third mode, which is PWM, that is pulse width modulation. Here with S2 you can again change the frequency from 4 to 150 Hz. The width is showing blank because it is automatic. It will automatically modulate from 30 to 300 milliseconds. And then you have the time, which ranges from 5 to 30 minutes and then continues. The last mode is the FM, that is frequency modulation. Here the frequency is showing blank. It will automatically modulate from 4 to 150 Hz. And then you have width for S3 and the treatment time. So these are the 5 functionalities of the 5 capacitive touch buttons. Now we come on to these buttons. These are the 4 intensity control knobs. These are the 4 independent channels. With these channels, you can give treatment to 4 different patients at the same time, or 1 patient or at different 4 points. The parameters will remain the same for all the 4 channels. However, the intensity control is independent. So you can individually control the intensity of each channel. To switch on the intensity control, you have to move it onto the right side clockwise gradually. So this is how the intensity control have to be moved gradually towards the right side. To start with the treatment, you have to first take the output cable. This is the output cable. This is called the female connector of the output cable, which you have to insert it into the male connector of the channel. On the other hand side, you have to insert the electrodes. Here we are taking the self-adhesive electrodes. Just to remind you that self-adhesive electrodes are optional. It does not come as a standard. We have inserted the electrodes into the cable. Now we have to place it onto the patient. After successful placement of the electrodes on the patient, you have to start with the intensity control by moving gradually towards right side. Once the intensity control is on, the treatment time will blink over here, which shows that the treatment is on. While the treatment is on, you cannot change the mode. If you try to change the mode, it will show you the error, turn off the channel 1, which means you have to first switch off the intensity control of channel 1 and only then you can change the mode. So this is how the Tens4 unit functions. Thank you for your attention. For any queries and doubts, you can always send us a mail at sales@biotechindia.net. Thank you.